So I'm here, third take. Sorry, third take is to try. Look at this. This bull is cleaning everyone. He's very sweet. They like it. It's very nice. It is snowing. That's why I have this, or why I'm making this quick video. There's snow on the ground quite a bit. So I came to visit the girls and do some maintenance to make sure that they're comfortable, which it seems like they are for the main part. Everything's sort of held up. In there is dry for the main part again. They've been a little demanding like that, but not really demanding of anything in particular. I think they're just annoyed about the snow. So I'll clear some of it off. That could have been bad. I could have dropped all the eggs, but I left them a ton of scraps. I did a lot of cooking last night. Made a lot of meals. I got 9 eggs. They are dirty today. I gotta wash them. Like, not dirty, but you know, I do wash them when it snows or it gets wet. And they have been cracking eggs by accident. What's going on in there? Oh, looks like she's gonna go lay actually, which is good. Because most of them have been laying in the one box, which has been a little bit annoying. It hasn't been helpful at all because they end up cracking an egg. Look at this. Nice. I have no clue what she's doing up there, but when I got here, one of them was up there too. Maybe. Looks like she's just getting cozy. I'll add more wood chips to that in a few while you guys are on, while I'm recording. But here you can see I gave them a lot of food scraps, a lot of peppers and good stuff to warm them up on the inside. They are a little sick. That's crazy. I've never heard him. See, like you could tell though, he's a little raspy. It's cold, so I've been treating their water still for a couple weeks. See, that's a better one from him. Same chicken. It looks like their water did freeze a lot, so I gotta deal with that. Break that open. This water hasn't been working right. It hasn't really been coming out. I don't know why. But because it is wet and cold, I would like to refill it to the best of my ability. Make sure they have enough. You can see this water is, again, it's treated with some stuff, red peppers, red peppers, apple cider vinegar, whole goodies of stuff. I put some garlic in there. And again, sorry, this isn't gonna be a great video. I'm a little bit tired. I made a ton of weed food yesterday and I ate all of it. Not all of it, but I tried a sample of everything and it sort of put me out. That's part of why I have all this stuff that was cooked for them to pick apart. But I stopped. I got them fresh bedding. Doing all the winter chores. Just wanted to do a little winter update. And also at the same... Oh, look at this. One Brahma is out. Up to something. The Brahmas, they like the snow. They like it a lot. They don't mind it. It's sort of cute looking at them in the snow. But also, I don't know if you guys have noticed, this is my third take of the same video. I kept dropping my phone into the snow, and I couldn't figure out which way was up, which way was down. So I didn't want to like record a video and then midway through have it like flip. I think that would have been funny, but no, I restarted it. So some of the winter maintenance, I guess I can go over it. I checked the eggs, which again, the eggs got a little wet. When it snows like this and the chickens get wet, there's nothing I can do about that. So I take them home and I wash them, which sucks because I do want to travel with a few dozen this week. And if I wash them, I'm gonna have to now like put them in a cooler, but I'll figure something out. What else did I do? I got some of the snow off the roof of the thing, of the netting, whatever it is, which was good. They needed that. And I collected eggs. Again, they've been laying in one box because I sort of blocked them off from the other ones because there was a fox coming around looking to get in, which is not ideal because when I have 3 or 4 of them laying at the same time, they all try to get into one box and they crack all the eggs that are like on the bottom of the thing. See here, we have this, not a well, but a hole that we dug and covered up. So we always have unfrozen water, which I think is sort of cool. But if the water really freezes like, and gets in those metal things and like I can't get any of the ice out, we burn it again. I've gone over these in other videos. But it is a snow day and I can't assume people are coming back. You know, I'm not uploading very consistently. I've been recording consistently, but I have a ton of videos in excess. Maybe I'll release like a video a day this week if I'm not lazy. Seems unlikely, but it's January 20, I think, today. So if you guys actually get a ton of uploads from me, maybe I held to my word. And look, here, the same Brahma. She's now made her way over here for some reason. What are you doing? I don't think she even knows what she's doing. I'm bringing food back over here in a minute. You don't have to come all the way over here for it. Weirdo. All the Brahmas are weird. Did you see that? That cow just hit one. I guess while I'm over here, let me see if I can find any fox or whatever prints. Those might be... Oh, careful. She made an enemy. Jeez. It does look like there were actually a couple critters over here, but the silky sort of scares them off. If I'm gonna be honest, I'd want to eat this too if I were an animal. They're lacking a little on the breast meat because they got sick and they lost weight. But they've been gaining it back, or at least they haven't been losing any more, which is good. Excuse me, cows. May I just go through here? Oh, look at that. Her foot is all messed up. I want to go this way. Excuse me, that way. I'm going over here. Careful with that rogue foot. She's protecting that foot. She looks like she maybe clipped the nail, I don't know. That's weird. Never noticed that hole. But here we go, back in, again, the driest nesting box was back there, but they refuse to go in there sometimes because they're difficult. I got them a good variety of food, snacks. They like the strawberries. They love the color red. It's sort of cute. Oh, I just kicked you. I'm sorry. Don't stand in my way, though. Oh, that wasn't very nice. Here we go. Giving you water. That bird looks a little skinny. Actually, maybe she just got mounted. What is up with you? Yeah, no, her feathers were just recently scuffled. You hear the silky in there? He's sort of going nuts. Let's check their food. I just bought a couple cases of food because I know it's getting snowy. Food prices may go up again, but I got a couple bags on standby. I'm gonna bring you guys some dry stuff tomorrow. They are always running out of food recently. I don't know what the deal is with that. I'm gonna probably tie it up again today. Maybe they've been jumping on it, spilling it. That sounds likely. But yeah, again, just doing some maintenance. I'm gonna throw down that bedding, put some up there, because it looked like a couple chicks were up here. It's nice and dry. I don't really get why they don't spend time over here. I don't see any rogue eggs. It's starting to get a little warm. Oh, so now that I bring the food over there, you're all interested. Weird. Maybe I'll bring the water over here too. Or one of the waters. Because they think... I don't know. I feel like they think that some stuff is new. See, he's drinking. You can see he's been getting bullied though. There's black marks on his waddle. Huh. The cows have a lot to say today. But again, all the chickens have been laying in here instead of their nice boxes. So I've been getting a lot of cracked eggs, which is really annoying. They were doing fine at first, but then they got this stupid idea that they could have two birds in one box at the same time. And I'm like, which is not true. Is someone here to feed them? I don't know. The cows are going over to eat. Like, there's food over there. I didn't hear anyone pull up, but I see a rabbit here. Again, two Brahmas. Oh my gosh. What was that all about? They're crazy. They're crazy. They like the snow. They like the little adventure of being out here. They're cute. I like the Brahmas the most. I want to get more of them. They take a while to raise, but it's so worth it. And look, little red has come out. Here she hops. You see the red chicken that lives with the sheep and goats. Oh, so yeah, someone's definitely over there feeding the cows. Maybe. Creeps. Look at them. The sheep look cute in the snow. Yes. Bah. That's what they always say. They always have a lot to say. They want to eat my coat, too. It's off limits. This is my least favorite. Because it has a tufts of fur on its head, like this one doesn't. See, they don't. And then look at that. You look so silly. She doesn't let me touch it either, which annoys me. I know it's an invasion of space and privacy, but oh look, everyone else is coming out. But yeah, I love it. I love that little tuft of wool. It makes her look different. So let's make this food next. I know I've gone over this a few times. I do make some organic no GMOs, all that. And I get grit by a big bag now. Been saving a lot of money with the big bag. A lot of money. I used to have to like buy the little bags every other week. And instead of doing that, I just buy one big bag. And it's been lasting me quite some time. What's going on here? Look, they get all fluffed up. They like look different than they do inside. Like on purpose. You could see their hips a little more. They look meaty and chunky. That's so cute. That's so cute. Do you know how cute you are? They have to know what they do. Look, oh, nice. So this breast meat here sort of went away, but I'm fattening them back up. She's horrified by them. They bully her. But the black oil sunflower seed definitely helps. It helps fatten them back up. Gives them nutrients, more protein. A little more than they need, to be honest. It's 26% protein, I think. Which you do have to be careful. You can send them into molt if you give them too much. You know, everything in excess is not good. But you do not want to send your chickens into a molt in the middle of the winter. It would be very, very counterproductive. Come here. Where are you? Come eat. I like to make sure the red one eats. Oh my Jesus. I'm annoyed. You see what you've done? You see what you've done? Let me take this home for a minute. Eat that. This happens once a day. They follow me over here. They spill the food. That sheep just kicked her. That was wild. That was so mean. She's doing it again. Eat secretly. Yo, not you. I don't like you. Come here, chicken. Okay. You guys are getting the wrong message. That's not for you guys. Yo, don't be fucking mean there. Come through. You not fit through anymore? You definitely do. Down, go down. You know what it is? She's used to going through the second ring. So now that it's snowed and she's up a couple inches, she thinks that she can still go through. Jesus. It's like a cow alarm. Girl, what are you doing? Put your head down through here and put your little booty through. Come on. Let me lift you all the way up. Look. Yes. You're so silly. There you go. I like to make sure she eats before they bully her. But they seem a little occupied. So I get a moment of peace. They don't. You heard that flying. To recap everything, I guess. So, collected eggs. Eggs were a little wet. On a day like this, that'll happen. You have to wash your eggs if they get water on them, though. Even if it's like really cold and like they're perfectly fine, but you touch it, you have like water on your hands, you're technically exposing the eggs. You're technically washing off the bloom a little. So I recommend washing them at that point. I don't like to wash them, it's an extra step and you don't necessarily need to do it, but I'd rather not take a risk. I'd rather just be safe, and not, potentially get anyone sick. Look at her eating away. These two twins always have something to say. But again, wash those eggs if they get wet. You're exposing them. The bloom is out. It's no longer like gonna protect them perfectly. Once that seal is broken, clear the snow for your chickens. You don't have to necessarily like shovel, but you should make sure that they have some space to hang out. What I do is a mix of a little bit of shoveling and putting down fresh pine. I'm taking this away from you because now everyone's gonna start coming over. I'm sorry. But yeah, a good mix will help you keep them warm. Or yeah, mix of, what was I saying? A shovel, throw down fresh shavings. I'm gonna go get some fresh hay. I'm gonna actually, what I should do is like rotate everything. The bedding itself, like with a pitchfork, just flip it over. I should do that today actually. Bring up some of the hotter stuff on the bottom. Maybe that'll help. I don't know if that's something you guys should do. I wouldn't like put my stamp of approval on it, but definitely give them extra food, compost it, or not compost, like food scraps, kitchen scraps. It was a cold day yesterday, so I cooked for myself, and in turn my chickens get to benefit too. I gave them fresh water, replenishing their food. Why do you look like you've seen a war crime? That is weird. Give me like a 1,000-mile stare. It stinks a little. You stink? Or when you stink? When they get sick, they smell a little bit funky. But maybe it's just a wet bird today. So yeah, I'm gonna hang this up though. So give me 1 second. You guys get just sit here and look at him. Just so I can tie this up. So no one jumps on it. Guys do. Because when that happens, I get annoyed. It's like I'm losing food. That happens. It's just mildly annoying. It's not like the end of the world. You can always go buy more. But I do want to start making money off of this instead of just throwing it out. So I'm tying a weird knot. I don't really know what I'm doing. You can actually see there's more chickens now coming. I don't know, they think that I have something good and new. It's really just the same food. Alright, whatever. I messed up my knot. Sorry, everybody. Sorry. Alright, whatever. Your food is not gonna hang. That's fine. You're not gonna push that over, I hope. They are eating a lot. That's good. You not been eating food? I'm gonna make sure I get everything in there. Oh yeah. You are chickens. Oh god, it's upside down. I dropped my phone. I dropped. I picked it up the wrong way. But yeah, here, they're fed now. We'll throw down some fresh pine shavings. Look at this. Silky wants to fight. He always wants to fight. I don't know. He's damaged. Of course, he didn't want to fight when the fox came and got half the flock. Like, he survived. The other young rooster didn't. Which sucks. Not a good trade. I don't like him. Like, I don't dislike him really. You know, he's just a bird, but he's sort of a jerk. And now that his wife is gone, he doesn't really have a purpose. I have other roosters. I don't want him, like, contaminating their eggs. Not contaminating, but, you know, he's just silky. I don't want half silky birds. He's ugly. He's not really. Again, I'm being mean. He's just at least favorite. So what I do with this is I actually just crack open the whole bag and I let the chickens themselves sort of pick at this big pile. They'll take out what they need to stay warm and stay dry. Usually I just offer them the option because they'll go through this actually and they'll pick it, they'll kick it around, choose what they want, what they don't want. I do, however, want to put some down where it has snow, like over here. Just so they don't like get bumblefoot or anything from getting wet feet. Like, it doesn't really do much. Not shoveling it today. It should get warmer in the week, but just create a little path for them. Maybe put some by their water. And then me stepping on it should be enough to compact it down. You know, the ground itself is warm because you can sort of see steam coming up, actually, funny enough, because they have been shitting here, you know. They've been creating a nice layer of compost on the ground that is sort of adding some heat to the whole area. Like, under there is definitely very warm. These cows really are on something today. So I don't add any down here because just because I feel like it'll be a little bit of a waste. But I do add fresh stuff up here because they do like to come up here. Now that it's snowed over, actually, it's gonna stay warm in here. Warm enough that maybe they'll spend a little bit more time in here and realize that it's a nice place to be and not just this weird building that serves no purpose, like they've been sort of treating it like recently. Definitely looks like a smart chicken or two has been up here, though. Maybe he'll relay the message that it's warm. I know this isn't a very fun video, but you know, it's just normal tasks that you gotta do when you have birds. Now they have a nice dry area up top to do their stuff. Eventually I want them to get used to actually sleeping up here instead of sleeping on the ground like they've been doing for some reason. Throw in, I know this isn't very efficient, but throw in some fresh bedding. They like that one on the left. They don't like the one in the middle as much, but they will lay in it, so. I will throw bedding in both. I don't need a lot, you know, it was already pretty dry in there, but everyone watch out. So that's good. I used about half the bag. I'll give you guys a quick peek under and in here. I don't really want to go in here again, but we do have to right now, just for a quick moment. I'm all tangled. This sucks. But, oh, this is actually good, I guess. We can put down fresh stuff. More bedding in here. I do wish that they'd stop laying in here, you know, but I don't want to take it away while they're, you know, making a lot of eggs. I don't want to accidentally stop production by taking their favorite place. So I'm not going to really stop them from laying in there. They can do what they want. They're spoiled little birds. It's a 30-minute video. Again, nothing really fun. I'm a little bit tired, so my voice itself is a little less low energy than I want. But you know, it's all stuff that has to get done. It's good to share it too. Lockdown. Yeah, because not a lot of people have really good videos in depth about chicken raising in colder places. Like, I'm in upstate New York, but we get hit by the lake effect, so we get a lot of snow. It gets cold, a lot of wind. But all these chickens are doing fine. That Brahma looks a little skinny, but maybe it's the runt. Probably. Everyone looks sort of good. That's the Jersey Giant that was sick, I could tell. She has a cuter face. Look at this. They made a little shortcut into the cow den. Get out of there. Come on. Oh god, and she goes. Whatever. I'll let them forage for a bit. But I think I will end this video relatively soon. I don't have much more to say, and it's already 30 minutes. I have been recording some long ones, but I feel like today's a little bit boring, so I don't want to bore you guys. I guess I'll take some really cute videos real quick, though, of everyone in the snow. Because they do look really cute. Like, the Brahmas that went out here, all I see is a little ball of fluff surrounded by snow. Like, look at that. They have no reason to be that cute. Like, I feel like it puts them at a disadvantage, you know? There's not like they don't look mean or angry. They look cute and edible. And I guess one day I'll raise a Brahma to eat. I do want to know what it would taste like. She got nervous when I said that. But none of these are the first in the line of greatness. Let's see if I have any goat tasks. The cows I gave hay already before I dropped my phone. Sheep, goats, they might need fresh stuff, or they might not. Yeah, I'll give them a little fresh hay. This Baba. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, look. He knows. Yes, you know now. He knows that I'll give him rewards if he comes and is nice to me. The cows don't get that way. The Cows are still mean. But sheep treats. They love their hay. And these guys I'll give some corn to. You know, someone else usually comes and takes care of them, but it is cold, so a double helping is nice. They'll appreciate it. Here you go. There you go. Everyone gets a little bit. I don't like to give them too much. It's not particularly the best thing for them, but they do enjoy it, and have come to expect it. But yeah, everything is good, I guess. I can't complain. The water hole is wet. It's dry. I don't know why this isn't closing right, but don't say that to me. But yeah, again, farm, upstate New York. Sorry, I was on a little tangent there. Upstate New York, everything's still good in the winter. It's not as hard as you think. Oh my gosh, relax with those horns. You're gonna kill someone. You're gonna kill someone. Jesus Christ. Oh my. Alright, if I were all of you, I'd back off. She wants his food. This is where we warm up our water. I'm gonna have to start a fire. I gotta break the ice for the cows. I'll do that in a minute, off camera. Sheesh, he actually hurt one of them. I see blood on his thing. What? Just give him some space. Chill. You don't come over here right now. There's no place for a chicken. Oh my god, run. I have to advise against you being here. But I can't focus on all this. Sheesh. Yeah, run, chicken. We'll see if she laid any eggs. She has a little spot down there. Looks like no. That's fine. But here, the video I guess should come to an end. I'll upload a 45-minute video. That's fine. You stuck around. You get cool footage of the birds being cute in the snow. But I guess I am done with all my chores. I can't complain. That's a plump bird. Look at that. Let me see her. She has the breast meat that I'm looking for. Come here. Yeah, this is a good one. Heavy. Egg in here. Perfect. Again, a little skinny, but she's good. I'm gonna bring them all in around 30 minutes, 40 minutes, because I've been here for 2 hours. I just want to make sure they have some time outside to forage whatever they can, do whatever they have to do. But they look happy, they look healthy, and I can't complain. I hope all of you are sort of, doing the same. I hope all your birds are well. And happy farming, everyone.